What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Hopefully this new camera works better in this garage because it's just a better camera overall, but I still need to mess with the settings. I haven't figured out the exact settings on this, so if it's out of focus, I do apologize in advance. But what today's video is going to be about is, as you guys can see by the title, we finally got our wrap in for this car. So huge shout out to Vinyl Frog for sponsoring the wrap for this car, well, this build, and I cannot wait to wrap this thing and see what it looks like. And a lot of you guys are asking if I'm doing this by myself. I am doing this by myself. It's gonna be very tedious, and of course I need to pull specific things off the car. Like one is gonna be the door handles. The door handles might be a little bit, I guess, complicated if you want to say, but we will, I guess, try our best on wrapping this car by ourselves. I do have past experience on wrapping my past cubes, and then my other car, Yossi over at J-Print kind of did teach me, and I did help him lay the vinyl on the car. And that's back then though, where vinyl isn't as good as today, but I've never wrapped the whole car by myself. The only thing I've done, or always used to do, was windshield banners. I don't have one on this car, but I do that, or I used to do that all the time. And then of course I wrap this roof. This is with 3M 2080 though. Huge difference from this for sure. But here's the wrap. This is Vinyl Frog. So I already went ahead and opened it, and bringing this in from the porch to here was definitely, I mean, it's not that heavy, but this roll is pretty damn heavy. I believe this is 59 feet. So 5 feet by 59 feet, but I had them add an extra 3 feet just because I knew I was gonna get a wing, and I just wanna make sure I had enough material to wrap this wing. We are not gonna be leaving this carbon. We're just gonna be wrapping the top layer. The bottom of this wing is gonna be carbon still. The whole car will be wrapped. We're gonna wrap mainly the sides, the bumpers, and then the trunk, and then we'll go ahead and do the roof. After the roof, we are gonna be doing the hood. So I'm mainly doing like spots on the car or panels on the car, just because, just in case 59 feet is not enough, but 59 feet should be enough. Enough of me talking. Let me show you guys what color I got. Hopefully this camera can capture the color. I did take a peek at it just because I was excited, you know. But yeah, so Vinyl Frog. I have a couple friends that have the cars wrapped in Vinyl Frog, and there's been no issues. There we go. Voila. You guys cannot see that at all. Alright, let's see if I can show you guys. Oh my god. Let me rip a hole in this real quick. I think this thing has a protective film over it that you have to peel off. Okay, let me see if I could. Alright, there you guys go. That is, well, what they call it is Gotland green. And it's kind of like a dark green. And if you shine a light over it, oops, sorry, overexposed. Shine a light over it, it gets pretty light. I wanted a color that was pretty dark. I've been a huge fan of green ever since my hatch, and green had just been catching my eye a lot more just because my hatch, that's my first green car. And then this car, I wanted to keep it metallic. I didn't want to do no satin, I didn't want to do no matte finish, because one is, to me, is since the car already came with a metallic finish, so we're talking about like pearls and stuff, or flakes, I wanted to keep the same look on the car. So I want to make sure all the body lines still show with the wrap, and it just, to me, is, there's no point in me doing like a satin or anything like that. So we are using this green, which is a dark green. I want to start wrapping, but I need a washed car. Actually, I have a little spray bottle right there, the ones where you pump and it'll automatically spray. So I'll probably use that just to wipe down the car, and then I'll start wrapping. I need to, let's see. The hardest part of me wrapping this car is gonna be this whole quarter panel, but I've been watching YouTube videos just so I could get my, I guess not experience, but my confidence up on wrapping this car. I know different materials are wrapped lay differently and apply differently. I've seen a lot of people using this wrap, and if you kind of have the basic skills, you can do it. Just take your time. On the car, I need to pull off the door panels. Not the door panels, the door handles. I might pull off this trim if I can and not break it. If anything, I can always just tuck it underneath. There's a lot of space. Pull off the mirrors because I want the wrap to go underneath the base plate. Fenders, we're gonna pull the bumper off. So front bumper, rear bumper, pull it off just so it can make wrapping the fenders easier, and also pulling off the headlights just so I can get into this corner. Real I just wrap when it's on the car. For the most part, that's about it. And then I might pull this whole trim off. Most likely I will because I need to replace it anyways. And then so I can wrap this whole pillar like super clean and make sure that I tuck it inside here. Roof, we're gonna peel this off, and then this guy right here, the antenna, I actually did pull that off when I wrapped it, so I wrapped it black. Not the best, but I kind of figured it out. So yeah, and then we're gonna pull the taillights, the rear lip. Oh, nothing. I'll pull off the rear lip too, so I can wrap the whole bumper and then wrap the lip by itself, or unless I just sit there and wrap the whole bumper with the lip all like one piece, but we probably won't do that. And then pull off the wing, of course. Yeah, this is the color, Gotland green. When you buy these wraps, they don't, oh, there we go, you can see the green kind of. Yeah, it just comes in this box, and this box with these little things, it actually allows the vinyl to rotate. So when you're pulling it out, it'll rotate freely, which is nice, because I was kind of worried, like, how am I gonna pull off this wrap by myself? Luckily, you can just pull it out, cut the amount you need, and then start wrapping the car. But huge shout outs to Vinyl Frog for sponsoring the wrap. I cannot wait to start. I might start tomorrow since tomorrow is Friday, and I could start today, but I literally just got off of work. I'd rather just wait till tomorrow when I'm off, and then really, I won't say busting all-nighter, but probably put a couple hours in to this car tomorrow by wrapping it. And I'm gonna be filming the whole process, of course. That's actually one reason why I picked up this camera, just so I can record the whole process a little bit better versus the G7X. So yeah, this is the color. It's called Gotland green. Oh, there we go. GMP 27. There you go. 5 feet by 59 feet. That is the wrap. And we want to start tomorrow. I think I'm gonna start with wrapping the sides. The bumpers I'm gonna do last because that I know I'm gonna take the most time on. Luckily, for the most part, this car is pretty flat, like the body wise. Like this has this line, that's it, and then let's go straight down. Side skirts, you know, the fender is fairly simple too. It's not even that, like, it doesn't have a crazy arch versus like other cars. The bumper, I feel like I won't have too much of an issue because for the most part it's pretty flat, not as much curves. The rear, the same too. It's literally just got to get into this, and luckily this doesn't bulge out as much, so I can easily caress the wrap into that. And then we're just gonna send it and wrap this trunk. If anything, I'll look for a new trunk, and then I'll hit up Vinyl Frog and have them send me more material, but we should have a lot more material left over. But yeah, I know this is just video me talking, but I wanted to film me actually getting the wrap. And then, oh, we gotta wrap these mirrors too. That's gonna be a bit challenging. I actually might buy some knifeless tape, and I actually do need to order some gloves before I start wrapping the car, because you kind of need like specific gloves, and I don't want my fingerprints to dig into it. So we're definitely gonna order gloves tonight, and then hopefully Amazon Prime could get it by tomorrow and then start laying it on. Hopefully you guys are excited as much as me for the color. I love green for some odd reason now, and I know a dark color will look good on this car since this car became dark. A lot of people are like, why don't you do white? I owned a white TSX before, you guys seen that. But that's it for this video. Peace, guys. Don't see others. Just keep building. I don't want to make this video too long, and hope you guys stay tuned for the wrap. And if you guys noticed, I've been uploading a lot more because I actually do genuinely miss uploading videos and on a daily basis. So Peace.